Can a frosted cake be frozen for later use?
Hello there, budding bakers and cake connoisseurs. Today, we're delving into a common question often raised in the world of baking. Can a frosted cake be frozen for later use? Let's unpack the answer and discover how you can savor your delectable desserts for longer without sacrificing flavor or texture.
Can you freeze a frosted cake?
The short answer is yes, you certainly can freeze a frosted cake. This is a wonderful way to preserve your baking efforts and enjoy them at a later date. This method can be handy for preparing for events in advance or simply saving leftovers from a large cake.
How to freeze a frosted cake properly?
Although you can freeze a frosted cake, it's essential to do so correctly to maintain its taste and texture. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Let the frosted cake cool completely. This is crucial to prevent condensation from forming and ruining the frosting. 2. Place the cake in the freezer uncovered for about 4 to 6 hours. This step, known as flash freezing, will harden the frosting and prevent it from sticking to the wrapping. 3. Once the frosting is hard, wrap the cake tightly in plastic wrap. You may want to double wrap to ensure no air can get in and cause freezer burn. 4. For added protection, place the wrapped cake in an airtight container or a heavy-duty freezer bag.
How to thaw a frozen frosted cake?
Thawing a frozen frosted cake is just as important as freezing it properly. 1. Remove the cake from the freezer, but keep it wrapped. This will prevent condensation from forming on the cake itself. 2. Let the cake thaw in the refrigerator for 24 hours. 3. After the cake has thawed in the fridge, place it at room temperature for another 2 to 4 hours before serving. Remember, rapid temperature changes can cause the cake to become soggy, so patience is key. So there you have it. Freezing a frosted cake is not only possible but also a fantastic way to enjoy your baked treats at your own pace. Remember to follow the proper freezing and thawing process to ensure you maintain the cake's delightful flavor and texture. Happy baking, and even happier eating!